Are your product demos creating the impact you need? Welcome to Arcade, where your demos become interactive, engaging, and results-driven. Today, we'll uncover strategies to help you optimize your demos by focusing on play rates, completion rates, click-through rates, and essential best practices. Let's dive in. Your play rate measures how many viewers start interacting with your demo out of the total number of people who see it. To boost this metric, engaging intro chapters. Start with a captivating intro. This can increase play rates by 72%. Branching paths. Include 1.4 times more branching paths in your intro chapters to personalize the viewer experience. Sound elements. Add background music or voiceovers, which can improve play rates by 8%. Completion rate measures the percentage of viewers who watch your demo from start to finish. To improve this metric, keep it concise. Aim for around 10 steps or fewer. Structure your content. Use clear intro and outro chapters to maintain engagement. Enhance visuals. Use dynamic backgrounds to boost viewer retention by up to 9%. Your click-through rate measures the percentage of viewers who take a specific action, such as clicking a call to action button after watching your demo. To maximize this, clear CTAs. Use action-oriented calls to action, like start a free trial or book a demo. Place CTAs throughout the demo, not just at the end. Guide actions. Provide a clear progression of steps to motivate immediate action. With Arcade, you can monitor which CTAs perform best and adjust them for better results. Here are the key practices for creating effective demos. Clear instructions. Break down processes into simple steps with intro chapters, hotspots, and callouts. Personalized experience. Use custom variables and branching paths to tailor content to your audience. Value-focused. Demonstrate problem-solving through storytelling and concrete benefits. Engaging design. Use visuals, interactivity, and dynamic backgrounds to maintain viewer interest. Strategic CTAs. Place clear calls to action throughout the demo with custom branding. Data-driven improvement. Track performance metrics and continuously refine your demos. Arcade empowers you to create product demos that don't just inform, they inspire action. Start optimizing today and take your storytelling to the next level. Explore more at arcade.software.